The brain is clearly split into two halves, leaving us with a left half and a right half called hemispheres. The two halves remain separate, except for a bundle of fibers which serves as a bridge between the two. The two halves are also mostly identical, with most areas having a copy in the left and also the right hemisphere. However, there are some minor differences. For example, your ability to understand language and do some logical reasoning mostly happens in the left, while your ability to recognize faces and appreciate emotions mostly happens in the right. You may have heard the idea that some people are more left-brained, making them good at maths, or more right-brained, making them more creative. This is a matter of individual preferences, because we are all wired up the same and start with the same potential to be either excellent mathematicians or excellent artists.